Okay, here we go. This is the whole thing. Getting started with 14.11, the picture lab, when you have to first load that picture up. So notice I have a project folder, and the project folder exists on my computer. Okay, already set up, this is sort of like what we tell you to do in Module 1. And here's my Module 14 folder, and inside of there I have my picture lab folder already set up. It is empty. All right, so we're going to take this particular zip file, we're going to save as, all right, I'll save this. This is one of my desktop folders. So we'll save it in there. Okay. Then I'm going to open it up. And notice I'm not going to try to work in here. I can, but I want to make sure that this is like spelled out for you. Okay, so those are your Mac OS files. You don't need those, okay? Unless, of course, you're running a Mac. I'm not running a Mac. All right, so here we have our Pix Lab, and in here are the classes and the images. Okay, so I'm going to copy this over to here. Do you want to copy this folder without encryption? Yes. And the reason it is asking that going yes all the way through is because the folder is still zipped. And not many students realize that. Okay. And here are the images file. Here is the images file. Sorry about that. All right, yes. I hope I didn't dump it inside of the classes. Okay, there it is. It's starting to show up. I'm going to click yes. All right, so now I know for a fact that I have this on my hard drive, and this had to unzip in order for me to get it here. And that's a critical step that a lot of students are missing. So we have our classes right there. Now I'm going to do one last step just to be sure. I'm going to put a copy of this. I'm going to put this images folder. Let's do it this way. I'm going to take everything out of here. I'm going to copy because I want to make sure I do this correctly. I'm going to place everything inside of here. Yes, override that one. Override this. Those were insignificant files. Now everything is in one folder. I've guaranteed that it's not zipped. All right, so let's go to our directions. All right, run the main from picture explorer.java. Okay. So your IDE takes over from here. I'm running JCreator. Now let's see if this works. Voila. Voila. And you can see that I did not have to have all the files dumped into my IDE. Just simply set up your IDE to run. Where is it? I don't see it anymore. There it is. Just have your IDE set up correctly to run that file and make sure everything is in the same folder, and make sure that everything has been copied over to a folder that forces it to unzip, because you think it's unzipped and it's not unzipped. Give this a try and let me know.